Did you know that a simple glass of celery juice could transform your health? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But let me take you on a journey through the incredible benefits of this unassuming green stalk. Today, we're diving deep into the world of celery juice, exploring not just its health benefits, but also how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. So, grab a glass and let's get started. First off, let's talk about the amazing health benefits of celery juice. One of its standout features is its anti-inflammatory properties. Celery is packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help combat inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. By incorporating celery juice into your diet, you're giving your body a fighting chance against these conditions. Imagine sipping on a refreshing glass of juice that's actively working to reduce inflammation while you enjoy its crisp, refreshing taste. Next up is digestion. If you've ever struggled with bloating or irregularity, celery juice might just be your new best friend. This green elixir helps cleanse the digestive system and promotes gut health. It's rich in water and fiber, which can aid in digestion and help keep things moving smoothly. Drinking celery juice can be a gentle way to support your digestive tract, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. It's like giving your gut a refreshing cleanse, and who wouldn't want that? Speaking of hydration, did you know that celery juice is made up of about 95% water? That's right. It's an excellent source of hydration, especially on hot summer days or after a workout. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and celery juice can be a delicious way to quench your thirst while also providing essential nutrients. So, if you're looking for a refreshing drink that hydrates and nourishes, celery juice is a fantastic option. Now let's talk about the nutrient profile of celery juice. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. You'll find vitamin C, potassium, and folate, among others, all of which play vital roles in maintaining your health. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and folate is essential for cell function and tissue growth. By drinking celery juice, you're not just hydrating, you're also fueling your body with essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Speaking of heart health, celery juice may also help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Studies have suggested that certain compounds in celery can help relax the blood vessels, promoting better circulation and reducing hypertension. If you're looking to support your heart health naturally, adding celery juice to your diet could be a simple yet effective step. Now, let's address the topic of detoxification. While celery juice is often touted as a detox miracle, it's important to clarify that it supports liver function rather than acting as a quick-fix detox solution. Your liver is already a fantastic detoxifier, and celery juice can help support its natural processes. So, think of it as a gentle ally in your body's detox journey rather than a miracle cure. For those of you watching your weight, celery juice is a low-calorie option that can help with weight management. It's filling yet light, making it a great addition to your diet if you're looking to shed a few pounds. Plus, its high water content can help you feel satisfied without adding extra calories. It's a win-win. Now, let's not forget about skin health. The antioxidants found in celery juice can contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. By fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation, celery juice can help improve your complexion and give your skin that healthy glow we all desire. Imagine sipping on something that not only hydrates you, but also works wonders for your skin from the inside out. And if you're looking to boost your immunity, celery juice has got you covered. With its high vitamin C content, it's a fantastic way to support your immune system. Regularly consuming celery juice can help keep your defenses strong, especially during cold and flu season. It's like a little shield for your body, helping you fend off those pesky germs. Finally, let's touch on cholesterol. Some studies suggest that celery juice may help lower cholesterol levels, making it a heart-healthy addition to your diet. By incorporating this green juice into your routine, you're taking proactive steps towards better heart health. Now that we've covered the health benefits, let's talk about how to juice celery. If you have a traditional juicer, that's the easiest route. Simply wash your celery, chop it into smaller pieces, and let the juicer do its magic. But what if you don't have a juicer? No worries? You can use a blender. Just blend the celery with a little water, then strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. Voila! Fresh celery juice without a juicer. Another option is using a cold-press juicer, which retains maximum nutrients and gives you a deliciously smooth juice. To make this video engaging, let's sprinkle in some vibrant visuals of fresh celery and the juicing process. People love to see the transformation from whole stalks to a beautiful glass of green goodness. Sharing personal stories or testimonials about the benefits of celery juice can also resonate with viewers. And don't forget to encourage your audience to try making celery juice themselves and share their experiences in the comments. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points we've discussed today. Celery juice is not just a trendy drink. It's packed with health benefits that can support your body in numerous ways. From reducing inflammation and aiding digestion to boosting immunity and promoting heart health, it's a simple addition that can make a big difference. So, if you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health-related content. Join me on this journey to better health, one glass of celery juice at a time.